I think ito na yung order natin. Wow.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yan na ba
Order
yun?
natin, sir.
Kasya ba? Yeah. Sorry.
Ito na lang po tayo, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Ito na lang po ba yung food, sir?
Dyan na lang. Wow. Yan
Ito
yung...
yung fried chicken, sir.
Okay.
And ito po yung fried man to be condensed.
Yan yung
Classic Taiwan
Taiwanese.
sausage.
Okay.
And ito po yung pork and shrimp shawarma natin.
Okay.
Chili peanut noodles, sir, the famous.
Okay.
Condiments po nung shawarma, sir.
Okay. And yung drinks.
Yes po. Wait na po ako, sir.
Sige, thank you.
Ako na lang po. Ano po, sir?
Ay,
Hong Kong style milk tea, sir.
thank you.
Thank you po. Enjoy po kayo, sir.
So, ayan na siya. Kompleto na. Ito yung pinakamasarap nila na chili peanut noodles. And ito yung Taiwan, ito? Taiwanese classic sausage nila. Ito yung may plus ng pork. Salted egg taro pop na with pork plus. Ito yung chicken with lemon nila. At ito yung siomai nila. Okay? So, classic na classic. Oh, wow. Let's try.